Well, that's something you don't see very often. A puff with a wood on. Tell you what, I saw a fire with loads of mussels. I think this is more suited. Mussels? No, I'm bringing out my pretty side. That's pretty. Look, we stayed up there last night. Can you still see our fire? I think these are mussel nets. I'm not sure, but looks like it. I was only passing, caught the corner of my eye. Di tesora e antai tienes tan gacon. I don't know. Come through that gate. I want to know what's here. This little Court Hill Chapel. What's this all about? You stop and see a bloody gateway and where am I going? Interesting looking little building. This is in this manor. Remember the fire up there? The beach down there with the puffy on the beach. But I think this is the manor's cemetery. Let's carry on. There's a deer right next to me. Stags looking directly at me. Hello, mate. How close can I get to you? Amazing what you see round the corner, isn't it? Hello. You're not very old, are you? How many antlers you got? What are you, 2 years old? Oh my God, I've just seen an eagle flying away there. Wow, you're curious of me, aren't you? There's a deer right in my way, looking directly at me over the crest. Can you see? There. Oh, he's just gone. Well, I haven't been this close to him before. You have to go to his... Look at him staring at me. Wow, I could look at them all day. Oh, where's that one gone? Yeah, this is what I've come to see. Oh, fence is down. Fence is down, mate. You can escape. Where's that other one gone? Right, Gateway Memorial. Always a good sign. We'll pass all the modern ones with Stanley Brown and Muriel Grace Romanes and George Romanes as well. That's a nice stone, George's Romanes. And let's go straight to the money shot. Yes, this is more like it. What a handsome shadow. You don't... Oh, roses. You don't get much more handsome than that shadow. Nice. Rhubarb. Nice. Nice. Who's this? Sir John Stewart? Sir, the Right Honourable. Shadow. Mary Stewart. Well, it's run of the mill. Wonder if there's any famous people here. Don't know, but they keep it well kept and nice wildness in between. Yes, and now I'm auditing a cemetery. Hey, that's a good one. I'll put that as a title. Tim audits a cemetery. What's up in this top little corner here? Why are they facing these people towards this brick wall? That's a bit disrespectful. Right, and that's it. I don't know where I am. I just saw it because of the entrance, that motif. So obviously there's a manor house up here. That's old. There's a manor house up here. I can't see no chapel, that thing we saw at the entrance, but I did see some deer. What a bonus. Is my fire still going up there? Yes, my fire's still going up there. Oh dear, Loch Ness. Right, back the way we came. That was interesting. And here we go. Sepul Donain. This is the site of the chapel dedicated to Donain of Eigg, who established the first Christian community among the northern Picts on the island of Eigg, and was massacred there with 50 of his followers in 617 AD, 17th of April. Yes, top loin, slightly pan-seared, griddled. Yeah, only a touch of black pepper, sea salt afterwards. So we didn't pay any attention to it really as we walked past it, because it just looked like a square building. But maybe that's the Eye Chapel. Maybe this is the old one under here, the Court Hill Chapel. Nice little building. That's very oldie-worldy. That looks sort of 1920s, 1930s, but I think there's an old one through there. Dare I? Am I? Do I? Am I allowed? Is it a garden? I don't know. You see the old gates here? See gate posts, but that's where the gates would have swung in. I don't know. I'm going here anyway. I'm being very cheeky. I think this is the old chapel by the looks of it. I don't know. But there's no sign to say keep out. And I think it is a chapel. That's a lot of scrap metal. That's a hell of a lot of scrap metal. But if it's a chapel, yes, it's open Sunday service. Yes, that's very oldie-worldy in there. Oh, they've stuck this pebble dash on it to preserve it. But, oh, did I show you inside? You can tell the oldie-worldiness of it. I don't. Dear poo. No, they should invite. It's nice. Well, there you go. I didn't expect that. But that's a nice little chapel. Looks like it needs some money invested into it. But I can just imagine. That's nice. Is there a date stone? Date stone on the outside usually, on the gutter. They look nice cast iron gutters. Yeah. Gas bottle. Gas bottle. That's an oldie-worldy gas bottle. I'm not going to go through there because danger, high voltage. When you touch, when you kiss. No date stone. But hey ho, don't need a date stone, do we? It's all great. I wonder what this little place is here. That's like a little community hall. It's tiny. That is little tiny, that one is. And they built another big one next to it. Well, that was an interesting video. I might just throw this up. You might be interested, you might not be. I don't really. Well, if you are. Right, let's go back through that gate. Do you want to finish on some azaleas? I think they're azaleas. Very nice. Oh, lovely. Interesting place. Glad I stopped. Loch-Carron. Because we're going to this castle, Strome Castle, and it says here, it's peaceful here now, but it hasn't always been. So step back to the 1600s and we might find medieval clansmen battling to take control of Strome Castle. And in the 1880s, we might have large groups of Highlanders demonstrating against evictions or trying to stop the Sunday loading of fish onto trains. Lots of famous people here. One who penned Oh My Winsome Mary. Let's see if I can find that and put it as backing music. We saw him earlier, didn't we, you little cutie? We saw you earlier, didn't we? Yes, we did. How about a little nose rub? There you go. You are here. We've travelled all the way down here. We went all the way around there, all the way around there, all the way around there, all down here, down here. Now we're going down here, and then we're going to go on to the Dorloch-skye. Next. That's where we just come from. I thought I'd come from to the other side of the loch and maybe go through this gate just to show you what it looks like from when I was over there just a minute ago reading that sign and looking at this rock face thinking, what's that? And then I saw that tunnel down there thinking, what's that? So I came this way instead. Strome is over there. We're going to see it from the opposite side. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's a lot of netting. Wow. This looks interesting, let's go there. So instead of bringing you 4.5 miles from Loch-Carron all the way up there, I thought I'd bring you opposite. This is Strome Ferry. This is where the ferry used to take us over to the castle, and the castle is just that little bit of outcrop there. There's not much to see of it. There. Sorry, there. That little brick structure there. That's Strome Castle. That was a big fortification back in its day, protecting the loch and the clan over there. 682, I think it was. AD? BC? I don't know. What's behind me? An old derelict church. This is great. I'm in a no parking spot. There's a nice little old railway station down there. Dates back to the Victorian times. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Look at this old building. It's alarmed. Oh, it's been attacked by fire. That's a shame. That's a shame. Well, we can't explore this. It looks well secure. So I'm not going to. I'm just going to have a nose. Listen to the bird song. Let's go look at the railway station. Never leave your keys on the wall. No, I don't think that was a church. That's like a manor house or a hotel. This is a nice old bridge. It intrigues me. Strome ferry intrigues me. I bet it's got a lot of history. That's the station master's cottage. I know that because it tells me there, station master's lodge. How clever I am. Customary red phone box. And there it is. That's it. That's what we come. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. That's why we come all this way. To come and see that concrete structure. And that castle over there. And that lock. And that old railway station. That's a nice little garden. It's a very colourful flag. What country is that? Skye colours. Never seen that flag before. I've just seen McNamist Yoga with Kirsty. Only in Strome. Ferry. Something famous about this place, but I can't put me. I've got to look. It rings a bell so much. Strome Ferry, Strome Ferry. Something happened here. I've got to do my research. Right, just a quick research. That's a hotel. It's not a church or anything like that. Got them down in 2007. Strome Ferry, they had a nickname to it because on the signpost, I missed that. At the top of the road, it says Strome Ferry, no ferry. So, and they named the local football team after that. Strome Ferry, no ferry. There you go. Bit of quick information. That's about it, really. Let's carry on to the Isle of Skye. Like that. What a busy road. Let's get closer to the Skye Bridge. First stop on the Isle of Skye, the Cullen, or the Coolin, for climbing. Let's go and have a look at them statue things over there. This is good for climbing. We're going to, the showers just up the road there. They're £1 for 4 minutes, 50p to use the toilet, so we're going to get a shower here on the Isle of Skye. And it tells you everything about it. It was created by fire. This is a nice little grass route. What's going on here? What's going on? Oh, the old bridge. What old bridge? There's an old bridge down there. On my travels in Scotland, I've just come over this little bridge before I see that very old bridge. This is the clearest water I have seen so far. And we're quite far down. I wouldn't drink that. Couple having their wedding photos on the old bridge. It's older than that bridge, and I know that bridge is older than that bridge because they don't make stones like this anymore. They did back in the day, you see, and they don't make stones like that anymore. Usually now they're made out of brick. Hey, I reckon I can get across there. Right there. Why do you need a bridge? Why have a bridge when there's a bridge here for you? Idiots. Don't need to make a bridge. I wonder if the wedding couple are coming down here. No, they're up there. I can see her head. She looks very pretty in her wedding dress. Let's go that way. I got the wrong shoes on, look. Look how clear that is. That's great. Look at all this volcanic rocky stuff. That's great. Shall we go over there? Shall we? We can get over there. We can get over there. This would be bloody great. This would be on one of those jokey YouTube channels if I don't make that little hop, skip and jump over there. And I get the bloody trainers wet. You know, bloody Nike, for Christ's sake. I can do this. Wait there. Wait there, I can. Oh God almighty. sorted. That was harder than it looked, you know. Danger Tim, they used to call me. Danger Tim. I bet I can't get across here now. What a bumlicker. Hey, wait a minute. I've got to walk past the wedding couple. I don't want to do that. Not with my ugly mug. I might ruin their photos. Let's see if we can get another route across. So I'll be stuck here for millennia. Here, what's this? What's going on here? I found another route. There. Over there. Bloody hell, I'm clever. Yeah, I'm good, aren't I? What am I doing? Stop the video. The wedding client's going now. Not my client. Where are we here? What's this? Portrait Angling Association. What's going on here? Welcome to Glen Sligachan. What's this? Fictional landscape heroes and legends have brought Glen Sligachan. Appeal to life through the ages. John Mackenzie with climbing clients. Looks like they were climbers. Let's have a look. That way. Usually we go straight for the front, but today I'm going to treat you with their bottoms first. In fact, I don't even think I'm going to show you the front. Oh, go on then. They're fine sculptures there, aren't they? Looking up towards the mountains, look. Climbers of olden day. There. I gave some hitchhikers a lift yesterday to the base of something like that. Not in Skye. Oh, Norwich. I meet so many people. Hey, you gotta do the wide angle shot for me, Big Blue. Watch the long version. Some people actually like to watch the long version because they don't get to hear me say the long version. Because most people just watch my short version. Old bridge, car park, scrambled egg. Interesting looking distillery. It's the oldest distillery on Skye, dating back to the 1800s. Now owned by the Johnny Walker group of whisky companies, whatever you call them. Lochstowerport or Lockport, I think we're on. We're gonna, oh yeah, there's a little place we can stay so we don't get bloody run over. 20 quid to get in, do we? It's about a 2-hour tour. Do I put my cameras on for 2 hours? Would you like to see inside a distillery with the big copper vats and everything? Dunno, Talister. Let's have a look. That road is clear for 3 miles. Let's do this. I think I've taken a wrong turn. The road ends here. Where did I take the wrong turn? Damn music. Don't play loud music or else you'll come to a dead end. Where am I? Go for it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's mine. That's mine. That's mine. That's mine. Yes. Wait. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, I can pick him. Yeah, I can pick him. This Isle of Skye is something else. Expect the cold, but wow, wow. Peas. Potato. Chicken in a white sauce and Pinot Grigio. Chicken in a white wine sauce. Would you look at that? Chicken in a white wine sauce with some processed peas. Horseradish mashed potato. A wind turbine in the sunshine.